Hello everyone and welcome. This is the child size Angelica kit that I will be working on. And this is how she start off as a blank kit. Here we go. Hey, how y'all doing today? Oh, hey, how you doing today? Hey. Give me some wedges. I gotta give me some wedges. Hey you. Yeah, you. Don't forget to sit up there and subscribe. Hit that like button. And I messed up. Hey, here we go. Hey, what? Here we go. So this is the chest plate I'm going to be working on. My brushes are so dirty. Time for a new towel, ain't it, y'all? It's time for a new towel. Excuse me. Alrighty. Said, here we go. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Are you guys having an amazing day? Okay. So put my layer of paint on. The only thing about working with the larger Reborn doll kits, I have to paint fast before my paint dries up on me. So yes. That you gotta do it fast, TT. That sound in the background, you guys, I do apologize. That is my fan, so that it won't take long for the layers to dry, so that I can then put her in the oven to bake this layer on. Oh, I didn't know I had you on repeat. I didn't know I had you on repeat. Hey you, yeah you. Listen, right up under this video, there's a subscribe button. If you like what your TT doing, go on and click it from red and turn it gray. And don't forget, you gotta turn that bell on, so that you will get notifications when I post new content. And if you are already a subscriber, welcome back. And thank you for being part of the Woo 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 family. Alright, so if you can kind of see the difference a little bit, this side is darker, this side is not. Alright. Hey, how you doing today? Oh, hey, how you doing today? Oh, get it? How you doing? Oh, I get it. How you doing? Oh, well, we about to do it like this, and you hear me though. Oh, TT on her grind, trying to shine. Hit that like button one at a time. Welcome to the Woo 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 baby family. This is the place you wanna be, cause I'm a reborn artist, family entertainer. Oh, unlimited fun, cause I'm a reborn artist, family entertainer. Oh, unlimited fun. Hit that like, hit the like, hit the like. Hey, and let me hear you do it today. What? See, you playing, TT. You playing. Get me done, girl. I'm trying, girl. Cause you showed this paint drying fast. Yes, Yes, it is. Hold on, sunshine. Hold on. She does have some life to her already, which I will show you guys in just a second. Okay. So as you can see, she does have some detailing in her already. Yes. And many, many, many hours and goes into getting this effect. So yes, it does, TT. Okay. Hey. What? What? Oh, oh, oh. And I'm putting this is my paint. Alright, sit right there. Get up under that fan, girl, so you can dry. She's drying, y'all. Okay, so this is her head. Say hi, everybody. Hello, do you see me? So like I said, she's already got some detailing in her that I've already done. So now I'm working on her. Say we trying to get some tone now, TT. Ooh, excuse me. We're trying to get some tone on her. Yeah. Trying to get some tone on the princess. Trying to get some tone on the princess. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Get it, TT. Get it, TT. Working on the Reborn, baby. Get it, TT. Get it, TT. Working on the Reborn, baby. Collectibles for adults. Collectibles for adults. Yeah. They are a work of art. A work of art. One of a kind. A work of art. Let me shine. Ay, ay, ay. Get it, TT. Ay, ay, ay. Get it, TT. Here we go. Here we go. Where are I messed up. I'm not cutting that out either. You get what you get. It's gonna be like that. And that's legit. Ay. I can't even do it today. I'm doing what I need to do to keep it afloat. Keep it afloat. Keep it afloat. Get it, good. Why you giving TT a hard time? Stop playing. I just want you to shine. Hey. Stop giving TT a hard time. Quit playing. I just want you to shine. Hey. Working on the Reborn, baby. Working on the Reborn, baby. Working, 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 working. Working on the Reborn, baby. We're one of a kind, yeah. I know I can't sing, y'all. But hey, let's say it is what it is. You gotta do it. You gotta do it. Get it, TT. Get it, TT. Working on it, baby. One of a kind, work of art. Hey, we one of a Okay, girl. Let me quit playing, girl. Let me quit playing. And this is thinner. So I thin my paint back down. Hey. Hey. We're working on the Reborn, baby. We're working on the Reborn, baby. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I'm so hoarse, y'all. I am so hoarse. It'd be like, why you gotta be so hoarse, TT? I don't know. Say you doing too much, all that screaming and stuff like you be doing. Yup, that's it. That's it, sunshine. Okay. All right, princess. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse your TT. Princess. Whew, you tied in our TT hands already, girl. Already, girl. But shit, that's okay. We're gonna get it anyway. I'm just trying to make sure I get all these paint out her creases. So yes, that's how we do. Do you see me? Do you see me now? Do you see me? Do you see me now? Oh, do you see me? Or do you see me? I see you, TT. I see you. Alrighty. Hold on, sunshine. Okay. I'm trying to see you, girl. I'm trying to see you, girl. Alright. Now I gotta get her back, y'all. Look at him. Look at him. So I gotta work in sections. Say, cause the eyes are big girl. She's the size of a 6-7-year-old. Yes, she is. Hey. Okay. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Tell me what, tell me what, tell me what you want right now. Tell me what, tell me what, tell me what you want right now. Right now. Hey, hey. Hey, good, good, good. Hey, get back in these eyes again, girl. Hold on, girl. I try to make sure, girl. Whew, gotta make sure it's all out, TT. Yes. All right, so we got this layer on. So we got this layer on. We got this layer on. We got this layer on. Now say she said, I always got some detail in me. Yes, I do. Can you see it? Can you see it? Say they said they could see it, princess. They could see it. All right, now she's gonna go over here to dry. I should have got a larger stick, but that's okay. TT wasn't thinking, girl. TT, don't you fall. TT was not thinking. Okay. Now these are her legs. Little feet, y'all. Little feet. So these are legs. Say, they're my legs, TT. Alright. Boom, boom. Oh, and see how she's got life in her legs too. I got some life already. Can you see it? Yeah. Let's see. So like I said again, that's my paint down here. Yes. Look at Gabriella. Look at her. What are you doing, girl? Y'all see her? Y'all see her? See, like I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Oh, let me get some water. I love this bottle, y'all. I'm glad I do. Okay, so that's what I mean when you hear my fan. That's my fan over there that I have drying my parts off so that it don't take that long, so I can put them in the oven. And then here's her chest plate. So yes, that is look at her, y'all. That is my, I guess we will call it the cooling station. The cooling station.